Look who's here!
Hello!
We'll have a very quick look in the charity shops. I've just spotted a few bits here, some free stuff. What have we got? And this is a top tip for you if you ever go to Ikea. Eat first.
Always.
Shabby chic, we could upcycle it. Yeah, I know, straight in there.
I'll just go.
Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I thought we would do a little vloggy vlog because I'm off into central London today. I've got an exciting day today because I'm off to meet, no, we won't cross the road while there's traffic coming. Yeah, I'm off to meet Louise Pentland, who is a YouTuber. I'm sure many of you know her already, and she is brilliant. And we've been having a good old chinwag over on Instagram. We've never met in the flesh before, so I'm very excited to be meeting Louise today. And we're gonna have a bit of lunch, and then we might have a mooch. So we're gonna meet at Bill's restaurant in Covent Garden for a bite to eat, and then we'll just go from there. I'm just gonna see if I can get across without getting run over. So yeah, gonna go to Bill's and then have a little catch up. It'd be nice to meet Louise. Been watching her for years and years and years. I'm sure, as I say, many of you will watch her already. Just in case you don't already, I will link her channel in the description box. And she's an author as well. She's got lots of fab books out too, so you might be interested in those as well. But yeah, I'll stop gassing because I've got to jump on the tube now, and hopefully I'll be on time, but I'm cutting it quite fine actually. I got stuck with the builders on the way out before I could escape, so yeah, right, let's jump on the tube. It was rather warm on the underground. I'm just walking along St Martin's Lane, so yeah, nearly there. This is where lots of theatres are in this area, in case you're wondering. So this is kind of just on the edge of Covent Garden. It's kind of like the main bit with the square over that side. You would think by now that I wouldn't need the old city mapper, but sometimes I just like to have it to know that I'm going the best route. Look who's here!
Hello!
Alright?
Nice to meet you!
We were just saying that there's no awkwardness here. We've just met, first time in real life, and we just feel like
but
role
it
mates.
feels like it's not, also your camera. Oh, Mr. Carrington, this. We need to set up a GoFundMe to get you a new camera. That's falling apart. You can't see this, but the actual body of the camera is falling apart.
It's quite peeling, shall we say?
Rustic.
Rustic. Shabby chic, we could upcycle it. Yeah, I know, straight in there.
I'll just go.
But this has done me 4 years now, I think.
That's impressive.
Yeah, and I feel like everybody lives in there, so I don't want to part with it.
No,
you know what I mean? I feel like
I know what you mean.
all the viewers are in there.
Your friends. Hello.
Yeah, this is Louise.
Hello.
I haven't met Louise already.
Nice to meet you.
I've linked your channel already.
Oh, thank you.
Well, I haven't, because I haven't uploaded it yet, but you know what I mean.
I
said that bit.
You said the bit. You've done the bit. We're going to do this on my channel now.
Oh, okay.
So I've got a vlog too.
Are you hungry?
And then, yeah, well, I'm always hungry. You know what you're getting?
No.
I've like got select things on the mind what I'm thinking about.
What are you thinking?
If they've got like, I like picky foods. If they've got like nachos sort of a situation, or like macaroni and cheese with some chips, so like carb on carb.
Yeah. And then some more carbs would be nice.
Yeah, something like that, or like a proper salad that's got lots of stuff in it.
Yeah.
And some chips. That sort of thing.
We're gonna get on. Oh, you're just out of focus. It's going so well.
The best.
The camera is getting this little cannon, naughty cannon. Food has just arrived. I've gone for crab cakes, and they've got poached eggs on top. And Louise, who is vlogging me vlogging, love it. Yeah, I'll just crack on. Louise has gone for some nice eggs Benedict with some chips.
Chips.
And we've got some no ham, no flapping about. Thank you.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush.
That was nice.
That was so lovely. I feel very inspired.
Oh, me too. We've been talking all about YouTube.
Yes, and ideas and a collab coming up.
Oh yeah, yeah. We had a little idea for that. We're talking about Christmas.
Yeah.
Steady on.
Steady on.
Bit early, bit soon.
This is my daughter's favourite shop. Look, all the ballet shoes they put in there. Isn't that nice?
That's why you're in London, isn't it?
Yes, so my daughter is at a ballet school this week, so I'm staying here for the week.
So exciting.
And then during the day while she's dancing, I get to hang out with people like you.
And you're vlogging all week?
I'm vlogging all week,
yeah.
so that'll be up at some point. When's this going up?
Not sure.
No, nor am I. Brilliant.
I'll link it.
Yeah, I'll link yours, you link mine. It might be there, it might not. Be a surprise.
All right.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
Oh, that was lovely. So nice to finally meet Louise and have a good old natter. Ooh, turned into a lovely day in London. Sun's come out. It was forecast rain all this week, but yeah, it's turned out really nice now. And yeah, as I said before, I'll link Louise's channel in the description box. In case you don't already subscribe to her, make sure you head over there. So I'm gonna head home now, go and see how the builders are getting on today. I think they've been doing a few bits to the bathroom today. They were placing the toilet and the shower as I left, and then tomorrow, hopefully I'm gonna be able to get the sink. So I'll update you on that then, and I'll be filming a new loft renovation update as well for this week, but I'll do that at the end of this week when things are done for the week. But yeah, time to head home now. Ooh, it has got warm, I tell you. Just thought before we head home, we'll have a very quick look in the charity shops, and maybe we'll swing by Poundland as well, see if anything new is in store.
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is
I've just spotted a few bits here, some free stuff. What have we got? Lots of glasses and some sweet little pots. We've got some animals and some elephants and a clock. Wow, look at that clock. How about that? What a beautiful clock. Should it come home with me? And there's a little bowl here as well, which is actually beautiful. It's been painted. And that is fab. I see so many things thrown away on the posher streets in London. Well, not thrown away, they'll often just be left outside people's places for other people to take. So yeah, I just took a couple of bits from there. The clock was very tempting, but then I noticed that it had a piece missing, and I thought it's not really something I'm going to put on the mantelpiece, even though I thought it was lovely. So yeah, someone else can find that. And there was lots of glasses there as well. You know, anybody that needs some glasses, they can whack them through the dishwasher or give them a good wash and they'll be good to go with those. Some more bits here. Photo frame, interesting tile, and a wine rack. Couple more bits here. What have we got? Looks like one of those containers that you put your plastic bags in, but I've seen a hack where you can actually put wrapping paper through the holes of these, so it could be quite handy. And in there, not sure what that is, but it's electrical, so in a wet carrier bag I think we will avoid. Now these are interesting. These are those sort of shelves that you get from Ikea, but for pictures, but they look like they've been a bit water damaged, I think, or peeling a little bit, unfortunately. Maybe they were positioned outside. Yeah, I think they've started to go at the edges, sadly, but probably alright for somebody to use for something. Just got in and the toilet seems to have gone up to the loft, which is exciting. Glad that that's now out of the way. The thing with storing everything here is in a relatively compact space, yeah, makes things tricky, so it's good that that's out the way of the kitchen now. So I think I'm going to make a cup of tea now and sit down and film the bits that I picked up from the charity shop and that I just found, and a couple of other bits I've got to show you in a separate haul. So yeah, I'm going to do that now and I'll link it in the description box if it's already up, and if it's not up yet, it'll be coming soon. Good morning, it is Wednesday. Look where I am. Very posh sofa. That's because I'm at Luke's. How are we doing?
Hello, hello everyone.
I've been very cheeky today and I said, can I come and hot desk at yours? Because chaos at home has got to the point where I can't do it anymore, Luke.
I feel like I'm sending so much positivity.
Yeah.
It's a struggle.
It's all good though, it's coming together, but yeah, I asked Luke if I could pop over to do a little bit of work here this morning in the peace and quiet, although Luke's got some scaffolders across the way. And yeah, we've just been sat at the desk this morning at our laptops, and we're going to head out to Ikea shortly. So I thought you'd want to come along for that. We're going to have a little look around, and also I'm hoping to pick up the sink for the ensuite bathroom. So yeah, the work for this morning is done. I've cleared the inbox, which is great. Managed to shoot something that I needed to do as well, which wasn't possible to do at home. I'm really struggling with space to shoot things at the moment. So yeah, it's okay to film YouTube videos right in the corner, but anything else other than that is a bit of a mission. So Luke very kindly helped me with that this morning, and yeah, we're going to head off to Ikea now. And I think a little cheeky McDonald's is going to be on the cards as well. How lovely is Luke and Zara's new sofa? When I came here, these cushions were like that, so I'm going to put them back before I squash them. How about that? It's lovely, isn't it? So we've made it to Croydon. We are just in the queue at the drive-thru McDonald's.
Golden arches.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
What are we having?
Do you know what? I want it all.
The entire menu, please.
I want it
twice.
all.
I'll have the whole savour menu. Get a little chicken mayo.
Oh, don't say this.
And a McFlurry. And a medium fries.
I could have it all. I could have it all.
Medium Coke.
They've got
Vanilla
that
milkshake.
mixed spicy. Are you tempted by that?
No. I'm really not. Are you?
No.
Well, you can't.
Well,
have it
I can't
anyway.
have it, yeah.
But no, not spicy with McDonald's. No, I don't think that's a vibe.
See, if I ate chicken, like if I ate meat, that's a bit of me.
Is it?
I love spice.
Not with McDonald's. But yeah, otherwise I do like a bit of spice.
Yeah, like a bit of spice.
With
Sorry,
McDonald's.
that's just going to turn out on John Depp.
Oh yeah.
We've got these like really cool kids we listen to. We've got an
Yeah.
80s playlist on.
We had Smooth Radio on earlier.
Oh, it's the best.
Yeah,
It is.
so I think the vibe's going to be a chicken sandwich for me.
Nice.
With the meal, probably.
Nice. Solid choice. I'm going to do a veggie deluxe burger and chips.
And this is a top tip for you if you ever go to Ikea. Eat first.
Always. Because you don't think you're hungry.
Yeah.
And then you get halfway through and then you get hungry. And then you smell the food.
Yeah.
Which makes you even more hungry.
You find yourself in like the children's bit.
Oh.
You know, why am I in the children's
Meatballs.
bit and why haven't I eaten?
Meatballs.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh well, could have double dinners.
We'll have McDonald's before we go in and we get meatballs on the way out.
and a hot dog and the ice cream to
Oh
go.
God. Someone's hungry.
Yeah. We're in Ikea now. I just had to go and get a bottle of water because I've been having a coughing fit, which obviously isn't a vibe at the moment. It is hay fever, I think, the tree pollen, so yeah, got my water, we're good to go. These trolleys are nice for £25, good size, make quite a nice bar cart or putting supplies on like paints and things, quite nice next to a desk. They've got them in white as well. Luke's already gone up, I don't think he realised I'd gone to get a water, so I lost him already. Still got their sale on, a few bargains. Doormat, £1.75. Chair pads down to 50p. These frames down to 50p. Oh, they've got a little bathroom here. Obsessed with looking at bathroom layouts now. Nice little sink unit. Quite a cool product, this great big storage table for £45, good for storing lots of linens or toys, I was thinking as well, bulky toys would look quite cool in that. The classic lac tables up here, £7, $17 for the coffee table. I've got this traditional style kind of pendant with the glass, and that's £45. Looks similar to one that I've got that's quite old fashioned, so quite like that.
That's lush.
This is quite interesting if you haven't got much depth in your bedroom. This wardrobe here has the rails inside hanging the other direction, so you can get two sets of clothing but hanging stacked this way. Quite good if you are short of the old depth, more storage down there too. So this is the sink that I'm getting. It's £40 and it has the tap at the side. Luke's just spied a bargain. This huge rug, it's nearly 2 metres by 1 metre and a bit, and it's this beige design, only £19.
That's huge, isn't it?
It's really nice, muted kind of design. Yeah, nice, eh?
That's lovely.
Great if you've got a big area to cover, you just want something quite simple.
Feels nice too.
Oh, we've had Luke's yawning.
Oh, I've got to taste out here.
It is a mission. Once we got to trying to get hold of the sink, that bit was a mission. Very faffy, very fiddly, trying to find all the different bits to it. And some of it's out of stock, so we're just waiting to collect the bits that are in stock. And yeah, I'll have to order the actual cabinet itself to be delivered on another day. Oh, it's ready, I think. Yeah. Finally collected the sink. So Luke's just gone to get the car and he's going to very kindly drop me home with this. And yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do give this video a little thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're new here, to click subscribe for new videos every single week. And don't forget to head over to Louise's channel and to Luke's channel as well. I'll link them both in the description box. You can go and subscribe to them if you haven't done so already. And Luke's vlogging this week as well, so I'm sure he's got a weekly vlog. Some of the bits that we've been up to on that too. We're actually going to the cinema this evening for screening. I didn't want to take my vlog camera out tonight, so I thought I'd just wrap the vlog up now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can always catch me over on Instagram, Mr. Carrington or Mr. Carrington Home. I'd love to see you over there, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.